Good morning, students and viewers. We already shared the meaning of economic development and economic growth in the last two videos. You know very well what is economic growth and what is economic development. Now, in this video, we are going to share what are the differences between economic growth and economic development. So, economic growth refers to the increase in the country's real output of goods and services is called as economic growth. So, economic development refers to the not only economic growth but also progressive changes in the socio-economic structure of a country is called as economic development. And economic growth is related to single dimensional phenomena. It is only focused on increasing the production. But economic development is a multi-dimensional. So multi-dimensional means what? Developing countries, one side they focused on growth, one side they focused on changes in the technological institutional, one side they focused on solving the problems. So that's called, it is a multi-dimensional process. So economic growth is a narrow concept. Narrow, that's called only, it studies only production. And economic development is a wider concept, so wider changes are required. We can call it as economic development. Next, economic growth is mainly, that's called economic growth is mainly related to developed countries. So in the developed countries, already changes takes place, favorable conditions are there. So they only increasing the production, increasing the rise in the output. But economic development is related to developing countries. So developing countries are facing many problems. So that is the reason it is related to economic development is related to required to major changes. The major changes also required in the developing countries is essential. So it denotes, that's called as a quantitative changes. Economic growth is related to quantitative changes, and economic development is related to qualitative changes. Not only quantity but also qualitative changes is also required. But in the economic growth, it does not require government intervention. Government intervention is need not necessary, because in the developing countries almost all 80% of the people 80% of the people as good entrepreneurs, they already established the institutions. The government is focused on only important areas. So remaining all the areas is given to the private sector. So that's called government intervention is not necessary. But in the developing countries, so it is not possibility to achieve economic development without interference of the government. In the developing countries, 60 to 70% of the people, low per capita income people, their saving rates are very low. The poor investment levels in that countries, the poor capital formation takes place. So that is the reason it is very difficult to invest more and more amounts. So that is the government is the bigger capacity to investment. So the government should come forward and initiate the production process is also required. So that is the reason. So without government interference, economic development is not possible. Next, it does not related to economic growth is does not related to distribution of income and wealth in the economy. Does not indicate economic inequalities are very less in the developed countries, but in the developing countries the distribution of income and wealth is indicates. So economic development indicates the distribution of the income and wealth of the economy is also indicated, because in the developing countries, so inequalities are more. It required to balance between haves and have-nots and poor and rich people. So economic growth is related compared to the physical growth of a man. Suppose a person's age is 50 to 50, that is increases to 60, it is called as economic growth. But economic development is overall improvement in the human beings, overall improvement of a person, that's called intellectual changes, and mentality changes, and along with the physical changes, so maturity changes are also required. We can call it as economic development. So economic growth is going to measure economic growth, that's called increasing the production from one level to the another level, we can easily to measure. But economic development cannot be measured because changes cannot be measured correctly, so that's called it cannot be measured. So these are the differences between economic growth and economic development. Thank you.